Vasanthi, is Vasanthi here?
Yes, sir.
என்ன மேடம் சொல்லுது உங்களுக்கு? செஸ்ஸா?
Yeah.
செஸ்ல என்ன மேடம் இருக்கு?
Sometimes I get some kind of like a poking pain.
மேடம், நான் செஸ்ல என்ன இருக்குன்னு கேட்டேன்.
Sorry, I cannot speak Tamil.
Okay, madam. What do you have in the chest?
What do I have, meaning?
What do you have in the chest area?
The heart, the lungs.
Heart, lungs, some more? Thymus gland?
Yep.
And you got the ribs?
Yes.
Can be any one of them, madam. Correct or not?
Yep.
Okay, which part? Right side or left side?
The left side, the upper part.
So what do you have the left side, madam?
It is somewhere here.
That is the heart, madam. And also sometimes even the diaphragm.
Yep.
Can be the diaphragm, can be the heart, can be also many parts, madam.
Okay.
I see, madam, answer coming to me is the heart, madam.
Okay.
Okay, now you got a cord coming to all your body, madam. All the body got caught.
Oh, okay.
Where are you from?
Ampang, Selangor.
Why Selangor semua masuk sini lah? Aduh. Ada orang share lah, share semua orang kasih lah. Hey, ni orang cakap semua masuk.
I was invited in Facebook group. They asked me to.
பாத்தீங்களா மலேசியாக்காரங்க என்னென்ன வேலை பண்றாங்க பாத்தீங்களா? எல்லாத்தையும் மாசம்
பாருங்க சார், நம்ம பேரா என்ன வரல சார்.
பேரா என்ன வராம இருக்கு. வந்தாரு மேடம், கோலகங்சா வந்தாரு. கோலகங்சா வந்தாச்சு. கோலகங்சா.
ஐயோ.
There's few people cannot use Google, so they want to use phone and talk to you through me. Is it possible later? Is it okay?
Can. Once we finish, okay?
Okay, yeah. All right.
Madam Vasanthi.
Yeah.
I know you are.
Yes, I'm the kidney transplant patient, and then I almost died of pneumonia.
How you got healed from pneumonia?
Oh yeah, doctor gave me like 50-50, but my son said the doctor's face seems like I only got 20% survival chance, very very slim chance.
And how you survived?
Huh?
How you survived? PVH, don't forget, madam.
Because my sister actually called Moana, and I think I did call you also a few times too.
Madam, you must give us a testimonial, madam.
Okay, I will do that.
It's all very important for us, madam. We're working so hard to help people, madam, and we are not doing anything, madam. Doctors will say everything, madam. They say they don't even tell you go to God. They behave like gods, madam. You know that, madam?
Yep.
Very few doctors go and pray. Medically, they won't say medically we can't do anything. Go and pray. But not every doctors do that, madam. You understand now, madam?
Yes,
it's very unfair. They become like big time. No, there's no way. This side, one lady went to a doctor, madam, and she got some problem. The guy said must change your heart replacement. He don't even want to look at the report, madam. Heart replacement. She was born. You see, there's a tricuspid valve and a bicuspid valve. As the blood enters the body, it's two valves. As the valve, the blood leaves the body, it's tricuspid. She has been born with two valves in all the valves. So it's a lot of work for 2 valves and 3 valves because high pressure, madam. So he didn't even look, madam. No, must change the valve, must change the whole heart. What, madam? How to change the heart? It's so easy, madam, to change. Must go and find the person, the right size, the right blood coming. Not that easy, but it's so easy for them, madam. Change the heart. That's it. So now, madam, you got cords all over your body, madam. That could affect this now. Okay, it's coming from one lady from outside, not family, somebody outside. Think of a lady from outside. Chinese lady, madam, I'm sorry.
Chinese lady. Okay.
Yes. Read page number 7 for the lady, madam. See, the cords will come, madam. So that when the cords come, the weakest part of the organs will be more affected. You understand, madam?
Yep.
The heart could be weak. So all of you guys, what's your body weight, madam?
My body weight is 70 now. Doctor also don't know why is my weight gain. My parathyroid level is high. That was from dialysis. I was on dialysis for about 3 years before I went for transplant. So during that time, my parathyroid reading was high. Until now lah.
Madam, are you having a mother's kidney?
Yes.
You put on weight lah, madam.
Yes.
So
I was 55 after transplant. But after, and I was...
Madam, that's why I cannot recognize you, madam.
Yes. I maintained at 55 after transplant, but after I got
like some kind of gum like that, no, like
Yeah,
it became like
like
that, no. Oh
uh,
my God, I didn't recognize you, madam. Seriously, I
so
didn't recognize you.
after my pneumonia, I got pneumonia. My weight increased. I'm not sure whether it's because of medication.
Okay, man. Let's remove this cord first, madam. Let's remove this cord.
Okay.
Read now. Basha Kannur, raise your hand. Yes, sir. Okay, madam, the cord is gone now.
Okay.
All gone. Heart is gone. So please read forgiveness for this particular lady and whomever who's not happy with me. Okay, madam?
Okay, because I interact with this lady almost daily.
On what issue? On what issue, madam?
She actually was jobless since she used to work in a karaoke place. She's a Chinese lady.
Oh my
She
God.
used to feed she feeds the stray dogs and cats.
Hmm.
So I sort of help her sometimes in financially if the dogs are sick or whatever.
Hmm.
Or sometimes maybe she comes and asks me for food. I said I don't have. And then probably caught his scent or what, I'm not sure. And recently her daughter tried to commit suicide like 3 times.
My God.
So
Again, you must ask her to follow PVH, like, madam, something we can help her.
the problem is she's a Chinese speaking person. She can't speak Malay
Madam,
properly.
they have a lot of dark energy, madam. Coming because of the dogs.
What?
This dark is coming because of the dogs.
Okay.
Sometimes it's not that easy, madam, to go and feed dogs or madam. People are not happy with you also.
Yes. Because she goes to people's house also to feed. She see people not feeding dogs properly.
You see, madam, looking for trouble, isn't it? Looking for trouble, isn't it?
Yeah.
So looking for trouble, madam. A lot of energy coming to because of dogs, madam. That's all. Because of dogs. Not from the dogs, but because of the dogs. Stop playing the fool. Tell her, madam. I know she's loving dogs. I understand, madam. I understand all that. You feed a human being, madam, it's fine. But dogs, they can manage themselves, madam.
Yep.
A lot of dogs, a lot of cats also becoming stray cats, madam.
Yes, true.
People don't understand. There's one lady, madam, I'm telling you, madam, she bring all the dogs and keep in the house. How much a dog can you keep out? 20 or 15 dogs in the house, madam. Can you imagine? And the daughter want to commit suicide. Cutting the hands. I said, can you leave? No, I cannot leave. She loves the dogs more than leave the daughter, madam. Only daughter she has. So where will the energy go? Well, how will the daughter feel? You know? So all these things are seriously very, very dangerous.
There's one lady from to a friend lah. She mentioned to me that this lady from Singapore, she also had many dogs, and then her daughter, I think now is 20 years old. She has bipolar.
Madam, she's the one I'm talking about, madam.
Pardon?
She's the one I'm talking about.
Oh, she's the one you're talking about.
Yes, madam. She sent me pictures of daughter cutting her hands, madam.
Yes. Did she recently contacted you or?
No, we have been doing. I said, leave the dogs alone. She doesn't want to leave the dog. I said, then you decide.
Now she's left with 10 dogs, according to my friend.
Yes, madam. I know, madam.
Okay.
I said, get rid of all the dogs. You only need one dog in the house.
Okay.
You want
because I recommended her PVH also.
Yes, she's in PVH, madam. I know. She even sent the sheets. Go all. I said, until you leave the dog, don't waste my time.
Okay.
You cannot. This is not that easy, madam. You must spend, madam. People spend more times on animals than human beings in the house.
Yep.
You know, I hate to go to somebody's house, madam, and talk about the dog the whole day. My dog do this, my dog do that, my dog. I come to your house, you talk about your dog. My God. What is wrong with you people? My dog like this, my dog like that. Hey, that's your problem, your dog. Don't talk to me. I just want to leave that. No, Srinidhi was there. We went to a house in Mumbai. There were 2 big dogs. Whole day talking about dog only, man. Oh my God. But they got nothing else to do in their life, madam. It's fine, but don't bring that to other people. We're not interested, you know. The dog, lucky my dog can talk means, madam, even Noor 9 solirkom. The dog solirkom. Okay, madam, you start doing it, madam. Please take care of this lady, man. Don't talk too much. Just say I'm busy and slowly, you know, because you will pick up all the dark energy she has, madam. all the emotions she has through, and daughter going to commit suicide, all because of dogs, man. Tell that woman, like, madam.
Yeah. Actually, so what happened was this daughter, her phone was not working properly. She didn't have a laptop. She asked money from the mother. The mother gets angry, and then one day the mother told her to go and die.
That's it, lah.
It's just a Chinese
Yeah,
saying,
say hello, go and die, lah.
you become so
Go
stressed.
and die, lah.
So
she going to do it, lah. Mother said, must do, lah. But all the good things mother said, never do, madam. But when I say mother go and die, they go and die. Yes or no, madam?
So then she told the mother, you are more interested in the feeding the animals rather than think of me.
Anyway, it'll come to that. Another day it'll come to that, madam. It will come to that. Because that's the reality of life. Because you spend more time thinking of the dogs and where the money, to find the money. Madam, there's one Indian fella. He rents a big workshop. He catches all the stray dogs and keep them in cages there and feed them. And he form a form and get donation every month, get donation from everybody. So whenever a doctor is sick, madam, he take it to the vet. And I know the vet, you know, the one dog, madam, the vet's bill came to 5,000 ringgit. A Chinese woman paid the bill. I said, oh my God, what is this world, madam? This guy go and catches, he's like a business now for him. Ask money from everybody, put it on Facebook. I'm a dog lover. I'm a dog this. No, I do all the things. I need funds. I need to buy food. People gave money, madam. And no one gave money to PVH, madam.
Yeah.
What a sad thing. What a sad thing, madam. Anyway, madam.
Okay, so now I have to heal my heart.
You please see the heart, madam. Pump number
because
1.
Every time I heal.
Madam, pump number 1, number 2. That's very, very tight.
Pump number
1, pump number 2. Huh? You get all the pump, but concentrate on pump number 1, pump number 2. Concentrate on this.
What about my parathyroid? Do I heal like as if I have thyroid?
No, heal the throat chakra and heal the thyroid and parathyroid. Do that, madam. And also, madam, in order for that, you must also heal the pituitary gland and hypothalamus because the hormones come from there to activate these guys.
Okay. I've been doing that.
It's a class on thyroid. It's a class on thyroid.
Thyroid healing method to heal all.
Yes.
But every time when I do the healing, do I need to do oral cleansing and all that?
No, madam, you do it in the morning. You do one bed yoga in the
once,
morning. Yes. Then you just concentrate on the organs.
Okay.
Finish. You understand? Then in the evening you do one bed yoga or just for oral cleansing.
Because 2 months ago when I went for my monthly checkup, they did some blood tests for the heart. I'm not sure what is it, and the reading was quite high. And they are doing this for all transplant patients.
Madam, ask them, madam, what is the result? Tell them. You must know something.
I have the results. I can WhatsApp you later.
Go and find out, madam, what is it. Go and find out what is it. Do some research, lah. Go to Google.
I have the result.
Then go and find out. Google has got.
And then he did ask me whether I have a fistula. I said I don't have a fistula. Last time I did dialysis through the chest.
Right.
So this thing actually goes to the heart. So probably this also affects.
Heal the part.
Heal this part.
Yes, madam.
Okay.
You see, the machine will take all the blood, madam, and filter back. So the heart has to do some work, madam. You know what I mean?
Yes. And there's always a tube here.
Yes.
So sometimes the arteries or the vein or whatever probably would harden in time, right?
Correct. I mean, heal the part, madam.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye. I didn't recognize you, madam. I did not recognize.
Yeah, nobody could recognize me also.
So serious.
It looks like as if everything is bloated.
Yes, madam. Yes, seriously. It's not like bloated, no. I mean, you heal both the kidneys, madam.
But so far kidney function all fine.
Good.
Very good.
Just heal them. You heal them.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Thanks.
Okay, thank you.
See, now we learn about dogs today, Please, my friend, I know we all got love for animals, but sometimes we cannot encourage this because then lots of stray animals will go around. People who just have kids, they just go and throw them in the streets, and it's very sad. Especially the cats. A lot of Malays are just throwing kittens around the road, You know that, guys?
And another thing also, when people rear too many animals, they got no succession plan. When they die, nobody knows what's going to happen to them.
Yes, madam. Not only that, madam, just like an autistic mother and father who will take care of the children when they have gone. Like that.
Yeah.
Seriously, madam, I don't know why they do this, madam. If they leave it alone, madam, nature will take care of it.
True.
You know what I mean? You know, in our country, madam, we got license for dogs. All no, they just cannot stray dog. They'll catch and do something about them. Madam, even SPCA don't want them. You know,
Oh, yeah.
we have too much. We cannot manage it. They just call SPCA, come and take. It's a private organization, madam. The also need money to feed this dog.
No, they were put to sleep.
That's the only choice, madam. I don't blame them. Even cats. One lady, madam, I tell you, madam, she wanted to commit suicide because of the cat. The cat crying every day in the house. She got 10 cats in the house.
Oh, just to check with you, is neutering strays okay?
What, madam?
Neutering means spaying, so that they don't breed anymore.
That's fine, madam.
That's fine, right?
That's fine.
Because I've been doing that for the strays whenever I see, like, especially
That's fine,
female.
madam. That's fine.
So
You know what
they
my mother-
don't
you know
increase
what
the
my mother-
population and no suffering.
You know what my mother do, madam? Whenever the dog comes here, she put a pants for her.
Put what?
Put a pants. Trousers. You know how many dogs will be outside my house, madam? Male dogs will be here when this woman comes in heat. My mother put a pants and walk away. That's it. Do whatever you all want.
That's a good idea.
No other choice, madam. Because one time 5 children. What my mother going to do now?
True.
Huh? You know what's she going to do? No, okay. Everybody want male dog. What about the female dogs? Who wants female dogs, madam? Everybody want male dog. Male chicken, male cat they want, male dog they want. What about all the female dogs, madam? Who will want them? The only way is to do this, madam. Go and get it castrated and they'll be fine. You know?
Yes.
No choice, madam. What to do? Because they give 4 or 5 babies one time, madam. Who's going to manage? Where are you going to transfer them? It's all very cute, madam. The puppies are very cute, madam. When they grow, they're not so cute, madam.
Yeah, true. And many of them adopt when they are puppy because they're so cute when they're big.
Exactly, madam. Some dogs will stay cute for a long time, madam. You know, all the models, the poodles, and all, they look cute all the while, madam.
Yeah.
But not the local dogs, madam.
But they are very high maintenance.
Yes, madam. Okay, madam. Next.